The CLF EVA POR 1300 double-side CNC writing machine, meticulously researched and manufactured by Qingdao Colorful Machinery Company Limited, is specifically designed for double-side 360-feet panel wrapping of boards, accommodating the use of either EVA or POR adhesive to meet diverse requirements. Integrated with ancillary equipment such as gantry loaders, CNC wrapping machines, gantry palletizers, and underloaders, the CLF EVA POR 1300 double-side CNC wrapping machines can be integrated into a highly automated production line to increase production capacity and product quality. The machine is equipped with a domestically created and patented 130 kg screw glue supply system, which effectively avoids the problem of glue carbonization and is high efficient. The upper double row and lower double row film and winding systems are equipped with automatic film positioning, automatic row changing, automatic deviation correction, and automatic constant tension functions. They can realize automatic film splicing of double rows, automatic deviation correction, and film replacement without stopping the machine. The machine has two sets of high-precision coating scrapers with a length of 1.3 meters. It does 7V temperature control technology to ensure accurate glue application. In the pressing parts, a pair of steel rollers and rubber rollers with a diameter of 410 mm are used. Both sides of the fuselage are equipped with servo systems and ball screws, making the whole body adjustable. Combined with a hydraulic dual power system, automatic regulation of rubbing, thickness, and maintenance of stable pressure are achieved. At the same time, the four rollers are heated using the circulating heat transfer oil provided by the mold temperature controller to ensure process temperature control. In addition, the CLF EVA POR 1300 double-sided CNC wrapping machine also has automatic positioning functions for the vessel of the wrapping area, for materials of the same shape, with the thickness and width of the board change. The machine can memorize the numbers and realize automatic shape adjustment with manual-based one-button operation. This feature greatly improves processing flexibility and production efficiency. The automatic sewing device can easily realize the following and horizontal profiling screw work. The secondary repressing machine does a thorough system to automatically determine the thickness and ensure uniform pressure. The equipment is also equipped with an automatic braking machine, which can flexibly adapt to the braking operation of plating of various sizes, and operation is flexible and simple.